Hi, my name is Sam Kaleli. I am the founder of YourFD. We are accountants that understand, measure and grow our clients. This video, I want to talk about Xero and in particular the add-ons that Xero can implement within your business. These add-ons can certainly revolutionize a business. There are two main reasons as to why I encourage clients to use Xero as much as I do. Number one, very easy to use, really user-friendly, and it can really systemize the bookkeeping within a business. Number two, because it's cloud-based and linked directly to your bank, you can look at the data that you have in real time, and you can use your data, you can use your up-to-date information to make decisions on the here and now, rather than on data that is potentially 6 to 9 months old. As well as Xero being a great product and a very value cost-effective product, there are also a hell of a lot of add-ons that can be used alongside Xero. These add-ons range from industry to industry, but what I would say is that some of these add-ons can really revolutionize your business. The next part of the video, I want to highlight just a few of them that have certainly worked for myself and for some of my clients. Number one is Receipt Bank. Receipt Bank is a add-on, is a piece of software whereby you can literally take a picture on an app of your purchase invoice or of a receipt, whether that's a receipt for parking or a coffee shop, and within no time at all it will be sent to the cloud and implemented and allocated in your Xero bookkeeping software to the right accounts code with the right VAT information on there. What this has done is kind of cut the amount of time needed to do your bookkeeping. I'll give you a quick example. I've got a client of mine that once we implemented Receipt Bank into his bookkeeping duties, his quarterly bookkeeping would reduce from 3 days down to 1, and that's made a massive impact on cost savings. The next add-on that I want to bring to you guys is an add-on that I certainly use to great effect within my own business and with my clients, and that's called Spotlight Reporting. This is a piece of software that can really help business owners get a good grasp of how their performance is going and the trends within their business. It can be done in a kind of like a dashboard effect, and it can really give focus and clarity in an easy to digest manner of the key areas to look at within your own business. The next add-on I want to bring to your attention is Go Cardless. Historically, small businesses found it very difficult to set up direct debits for their customers. The banks only want to deal with businesses of a certain size, and what Go Cardless has done has kind of brought direct debit system to the masses. If you are a business that has regular payments from your customers, and even can work for one-offs as well, but it's certainly an add-on that you should look at implementing within your business. What it does do is that it kind of gives you the power of getting paid on time every time and away from your customer at a very reasonable cost. Also, the final add-on I want to bring to your attention is called Satago. And Satago is split into two services really. The first one is credit control, and that it will link in with Xero to give you a really good credit control function. The second step, the second kind of service it provides is kind of like an invoice financing service, but a very flexible and easy to use and speedy way of operating. It will link in with Xero and your receivables, and you can basically sell an invoice off at a time at a very consistent rate. It's very predetermined, it's very transparent in its costings. These are just 4 add-ons that can be used. What I would recommend is that you look on the Xero website at the list of add-ons that are on there and see if there are any add-ons on there that can be used within your industry, are very specific to the needs of your own business. So that's it for this video. Sam, YourFD, we are accountants that understand, measure and grow our clients. Thank you.